Hi, hello everyone. This is Hemant. Today I'm here to explain about date and time program in Django. Hi, this is Hemant. Today I'm here to explain about introduction to date time in Django. Django, the popular Python web framework, it provides a robust set of tools with work and dates and time. Whether you are building an application that needs to schedule events, track user activities, or display time-sensitive information. Django Datetime module offers a comprehensive solution. In the introduction, we'll explore the fundamentals of working date with time in Django, representing a formatting data, the performing, calculating, and handling time zones. Understanding Django's datetime module. Django datetime module is a built upon Python built-in datetime module which provides classes for representing dates, times, and time intervals. In Django, you will primarily work with a datetime classes, each of which offers a set of properties and methods for manipulating and access datetime data. Understanding the structure and capabilities of these classes is crucial for effectively incorporating data and time functionality into your Django application. Representing dates and times in Django. Dates. In Django, dates are represented using the date class, which takes three arguments: year, month, day. This class provides methods of performing date-related operations such as comparing dates, adding and subtracting, extracting individual components. Times. Times in Django are represented using the time class, which takes arguments for hour, minute, second, and microsecond. This class is useful for tracking and manipulating time of data information, such as even a user logs when task is scheduled to run. Date times. The date time class combines both date time confirmation, allowing you to represent specific moments in the time. This class is often used for recording events, tracking user activity, and scheduling future actions. Now let us see formatting date and time data. String formatting, localization, custom formatting, parsing strings. String formatting. Django provides a variety of built-in formatting options for converting date and time objects into human-readable strings. This is useful for displaying date and time information in our templates. Localizations. Django also supports localization, allowing you to perform format date and time based on the user perform language and regional text. This ensures that your application date and time displays are consistent in cultural approach. Performing date and time calculations, arithmetic operations. Django date and time module supports basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, allowing you to perform calculation on date and time objects. This is useful for tasks like calculating the number of days between 2 days or scheduling recurring events. Time deltas. Time delta class represent a duration of a time which can be used for add or subtract time intervals. Date and time objects. This is a particularly useful for tasks like scheduling appointments, tracking the duration of user session. Relative dates. Django provides a built-in functions like today, now, and yesterday that make it easy to work with relative dates and times. These functions can be used to retrieve the current date and time to calculate dates and relative to the present moment. Now let us see handling time zones in Django. Aware with naive. Django distinguishes between aware and naive date and time objects. Aware objects include information about the time zone, while naive objects do not. Properly handling time zones is crucial for building applications that serve users in different geographical locations. Configuration. Django time zone support is configured through the time zone and use TZ settings. By default, Django uses the UTC time zone, but you can change this to match your application's requirements. Conversion. Django provides the built-in functions for converting between time zones, allowing you to ensure that time and date is displayed correctly for each user or regardless of their location. Now let us see validating date and time input. Form validation. Django built-in form validation features can be used to ensure that date and time input from user is valid and within acceptable ranges. This helps to prevent errors and maintain data integrity in our application. Model validation. You can also validate date and time directly in our Django models using field level validators, custom validation methods. This ensures that invalid data is rejected before it's even saved to the database. Custom validation. If the built-in validations options do not meet our specific requirements, you can create custom validation logic using Python functions or regular expression. This allows you to enforce complex business rules and data constraints. Error handling. Proper error handling is essential when working with data and type input. Django provides a range of error types and messages that can be used to inform users of many issues with their input. Now let us see displaying data and type in templates. Template filters, custom formatting, internationalization. Template filters. Django provides a set of built-in template filters that allow you to format data and type objects for display in our HTML templates. These filters handle tasks like converting to a human readable string or localizing the formatting. Custom formatting. If the built-in template filters don't meet your needs, you can create custom filters or template tags to format data and type in a more specified way. This gives you complete control over the presentation of date and time information in your templates. Now let us see Django model data types and field lists. Field types are date field, time field, and date time field, duration field. Description. Data field stores a date without a time component like birthday, hair, dates, product release dates. Time field stores a time without a date component, business hours, appointment times, delivery schedules, etc. Thank you.